Bangladesh's vision for a digital future encompasses the relentless pursuit of digitization and automation. The country is actively striving to transform itself into a digital powerhouse where technology plays a pivotal role in every aspect of life. From government services to education, healthcare, and business operations, the aim is to leverage digital tools and automation to enhance efficiency, accessibility, and overall progress. It represents a comprehensive strategy to harness the power of technology for the betterment of society. The pursuit of digitization and automation is at the core of Ezzy Group's vision for a digital Bangladesh and understands the immense potential that lies in harnessing technology to streamline processes, improve productivity, and drive innovation. Ezzy Group is paving the way for a future where digital solutions are seamlessly integrated, transforming traditional systems into modern and efficient digital platforms. Ezzy Group is revolutionizing various sectors, enabling individuals and businesses to embrace the digital revolution and reap its countless benefits. Over 4 decades ago, the remarkable journey of Ezzy Group commenced with the establishment of Ezzy Enterprise, marking the beginning of a remarkable legacy filled with triumphs and continuous expansion. This initial step paved the way for a remarkable path of success and growth that would shape the future of the organization. Within the Ezzy Group umbrella, a myriad of business domains thrive, each contributing to the vision of innovation and excellence. Ezzy Group thrives on the strength and vision of its dynamic leadership team, which is constantly pushing the boundaries. Back in 1984, the late Mr. Kamaluddin Ahmed embarked on a journey fueled by sheer determination and intelligence, laying the very foundation that would shape the future of the company. Thanks to the unwavering expertise and dedication of the 450+ member strong team. Together, they have built a solid and robust foundation that serves as the backbone of Ezzy Group's success. Work takes on a whole new meaning at Ezzy Group. A vibrant company culture is the key to success and going above and beyond to create and foster a culture of celebration, ensuring that every employee feels motivated, appreciated, and excited to contribute their best to the organizational goals. As time progressed, Ezzy Group's vision and determination led them to venture into new horizons, resulting in the birth of Ezzy Automations Limited. This pioneering entity revolutionized the landscape of 360-degree solutions, introducing innovative technologies and services that catered to the specific need. Ezzy Automations stands out in its ability to deliver exceptional services in automation system, security and safety control system, MEP system, integrated building management system, IT infrastructure system, managed services. With over 600 satisfied customers, 680 completed projects, and 7,000+ countrywide deployments, our commitment to excellence is unwavering and continues to thrive and solidify its position as a leader in the industry. Ezzy Automations operates from 2 headquarters, 24 zonal offices, and 64 service delivery offices. With a robust network of over 110 strategic tech partnerships, Ezzy Automations stands firmly supported and fortified. These alliances have been carefully cultivated to ensure a strong foundation for the company's technological advancements and growth. Each partnership brings unique expertise and resources, allowing Ezzy Automations to tap into a diverse range of technologies and solutions. At Ezzy Automations, dedication to customers go beyond just completing projects. Understanding that clients may have questions or concerns even after the project is finished, a round-the-clock customer service and support has been built to ensure that peace of mind. Whether it is technical support or general inquiries, our support center is reachable 24/7 by dialing 16467. Ezzy Automations is always here to help and ensure that customers receive the best service possible. Ezzy Automations stands tall as an ISO certified entity thriving across diverse sectors. With a wealth of experience in a wide array of sectors, Ezzy Automations stands out as a company that offers a distinctive blend of expertise. This diverse background allows a fresh perspective to every project, ensuring that the solutions are tailored to the specific needs of each sector. Power plant, metro rail, multi-purpose bridge, smart city, tier 3 data center, ordnance factory and depots, airport, 5-star hotels, MNCs, digital police protection system and monitoring service for 40+ banks from our alarm receiving center. Uncover the names of prominent clients who have chosen Ezzy Automations as their trusted automation partner. Actively engaging in CSR activities, our dedication has not gone unnoticed. We have been honored with several awards and recognitions. Ezzy Group and Ezzy Automations have emerged as prominent figures in Bangladesh's business arena, marking a remarkable journey filled with achievements and milestones. We express our gratitude for embarking on this captivating adventure with us, a place where creativity intertwines with exceptional achievements, where innovation meets excellence.